convocation. Before we commence the convocation, I have a few announcements for the attention of the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, may I draw your attention to what I am going to speak from now on with regards to the protocol that each one of us is required to follow. As the procession enters the pandal, I request all of you to kindly stand up and remain standing such that all the academic council members, the members of the board of management and the authorities of the university along with His Excellency move on to the dais. As they stand on the dais, the national anthem will be played and the audience might take their seats only after the authorities and His Excellency have taken their seats on the dais. I request, ladies and gentlemen, to kindly take your respective seats. We would not like people moving around. Guest arrives here, as it would be a security problem, and therefore kindly cooperate, kindly occupy the seats. The graduates, especially the graduates, please get into the pandal and occupy the seats earmarked for you. I also request the parents and the well-wishers of these graduates who have also come, accompanying them for this annual convocation, also to get into the pandal and occupy the seats. I repeat, I request the parents and the well-wishers, the friends or relatives who have accompanied the graduates who are going to receive their degree today, to kindly get into the pandal and occupy the seats. I also request the graduates to come and occupy the seats earmarked for them. When the procession gets into the pandal, I request all of you, each one of you in the audience, to kindly stand up and remain standing as the procession is led on to the dais. Once they reach the dais, I request you to continue to remain standing until you have heard the national anthem being played, and after the dignitaries on the dais occupy their respective seats. I repeat, as the procession enters the pandal, all of us will kindly stand up and the procession will be led on to the dais, and after which the national anthem will be played, after which the dignitaries will occupy their seats, following which the audience will take their seats. Please cooperate, because this is the protocol that we are required to follow when a governor visits any campus or attends any function. So we will have the national anthem being played twice, once as he occupies the seat on the dais, and of course at the end of the program, before the convocation is dissolved, will be awarded the degree certificates, out of which 18 of them will receive their PhD degree, the Doctor of Philosophy degree. 161 are qualified to receive their degrees under the medical sciences faculty, which includes 69 postgraduate MD, MS and 92 MBBS students. 140 graduates will receive the degree under the Faculty of Dental Sciences, which includes 48 MDS degree holders and 92 BDS degree holders. Under the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, 102 graduates will receive their degrees, which includes 22 M.Pharm students and 80 B.Pharm students. Under the Nursing Sciences faculty, 116 graduates, including 9 MSc Nursing students, 95 BSc Nursing students, and 12 post-basic BSc Nursing students will receive their degrees today. Under the Health Sciences faculty, 38 students, which includes 8 postgraduates in the public health, that is the MPH graduates, 17 BSc medical imaging technology students, and 13 BSc operation theatre technology students will receive their degrees. Under the humanities faculty, that is the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, 16 graduates will receive, which includes 6 postgraduates and 10 undergraduates. That is BA Journalism and Mass Communication and MA Journalism and Mass Communication. Under the Faculty of Biological Sciences, 17 graduates will receive their degrees, which includes 8 postgraduates, that is MSc in Biomedical Sciences, and 9 undergraduates, that is BSc Biomedical Sciences. Those who have done extremely well and come out in flying colors will receive gold medals and merit certificates. We have a total of 10 gold medals that will be awarded at this convocation. 4 endowment gold medals and 6 gold medals instituted by the Nite University. The Dr. A.K. Munshi Gold Medal for the top scorer in MDS Pedodontics. Late Dr. U.S. Mohandas Naik Gold Medal for the top scorer in BDS. Dr. Indrani Karuna Sagar Gold Medal for the top scorer in MSc Biomedical Sciences. And the late Shri Mulki Ram Mohan Adyantaya Gold Medal for the top scorer in MBBS. These 4 are the endowment gold medals. The 6 Nite University gold medals are for the top scorers in the following discipline: MBBS, BDS, B.Pharm, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Physiotherapy BPT, and BA Journalism and Mass Communication. At this convocation, we are honoring Dr. K.R. Shetty, the eminent senior consultant neurologist and the former dean of KMC Mangalore, with the DSc honoris causa. As I told you, Doctor of Philosophy, 18 of them will receive. Under the medical faculty, 161 graduates. Under the dental faculty, 140 graduates. Under the pharmaceutical sciences faculty, 102. Under the nursing faculty, 116. Under the allied health sciences, we have 38. Under the faculty of physiotherapy, 28. Under the faculty of biological sciences, 15. And under the faculty of journalism, the university in Senia, the mace, and she will lead the procession. As the procession enters, kindly stand up and receive the procession. The procession from your right and from your left, as I read, are, from your left is Dr. Amrit Meerajkar, followed by Dr. Satish Rao and Rajendra Holla, followed by Dr. Pushparaj and Dr. Amita Ramesh, followed by Dr. Vikram Shetty and Mrs. Sujata, followed by Dr. Jane Jacob and Audrey D. Cruz, followed by Dr. Mrs. Sarita Fernandez and Dr. Amit Ramos, followed by Mrs. Sabita Naik and Mr. Raviraj Kini, followed by Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty and Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, followed by Dr. Gaurish and Dr. K.M. Srinivas Gowda, followed by Dr. Satish Bandari and Dr. Niranjan Chiplunkar, followed by Dr. C.S. Shastri and Dr. Krishna Naik, followed by Dr. Indrani Karuna Sagar and Professor Mrs. Fatima De Silva, followed by Dr. Narayana Charyulu and Dr. Danesh Kumar, followed by Dr. P.S. Prakash and Dr. Mitran Hegde. Lead the procession back. And it is the controller of the examination who will be the last person to be in the procession. For your kind information, the minute-to-minute program would be thus. We would strive our best to maintain the timings that we mentioned, but then it is the cooperation and it is the graduates who are required to cooperate and see that we maintain the time. As the procession enters at 3:50 p.m., the national anthem will be at 4 o'clock. There is the invocation, which is the Nada Gite, Ode to the State, that will be sung by the students of the medical college, after which the Vice Chancellor will welcome the gathering and present a brief report of the year-end passing of the university at 4:07, after which the Chancellor will declare the convocation open. At 4:29 p.m., the honoris causa degree will be presented, but before which the citation will be read. At 4:35 p.m., the presentation of various degree awardees by the deans to the Chancellor. This procedure is, the deans will just make an announcement saying that these many graduates will be admitted to this sort of degree under this faculty, and the degree holders, the graduates who are supposed to receive their degrees today, will rise, bow to the Chancellor and take their seats. Gold medal and the Nitya University gold medal and graduating with MBBS degree. Shri Lakshmi Shenoy will receive the Nitya University gold medal under the faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences and will graduate with a B.Pharm degree. Satya Shri, BSc Nursing student, will get the Nitya University gold medal. Archana Gautam will receive the Nitya University gold medal and she will graduate with a BPT degree. Aisha Hiba, she will receive the Nitya University gold medal and she will graduate with a BA of Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Mass Communication. And Carolyn D'Souza will graduate with an MSc Biomedical Sciences and she will receive the Dr. Indrani Karuna Sagar gold medal. Has the procession entered? Has the procession entered? Ladies and gentlemen, I request you to kindly be in the standing as you receive the procession which is entering the pendon, and as they move to the dais, please remain standing, after which the national anthem will be played and they will occupy their respective seats, and only after that you may kindly sit. The Controller of Examination, Dr. Alka Kulkarni, is leading the procession carrying the insignia of the Nitya University. Followed by Amrit Mirajkar, followed by Dr. Satish Rao and Rajendra Holda, followed by Dr. Pushparaj and Dr. Krishna Prasad, followed by Ronald Fernandez and Amita Ramesh, followed by Dr. Vikram Shetty and Mrs. Sujata, followed by Dr. Jane Jacob and Audrey D. Cruz, followed by Sarita Fernandez and Dr. Amit Ramos, followed by Mrs. Sabita Naik and Mr. Raviraj Kini, followed by Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty and Dr. Jay Prakash Shetty, followed by Dr. Gaurish and Dr. K. M. Srinivas Gowda, followed by Dr. Satish Bandari and Dr. Niranjan Chiplu.